A crucial voting period in the Archdiocese of New Orleans bankruptcy case ends in less than 48 hours.
Survivors of alleged clergy sex abuse who've sued the church have until Wednesday to vote on a proposed settlement. As Tan Trung reports, the votes could determine the financial future of the Archdiocese and much more.
Wednesday is the court-appointed deadline for hundreds of people who sued the Archdiocese of New Orleans over alleged clergy sex abuse to submit their vote for a proposed $230 million settlement. Richard Kuhn cast his vote Monday. He says it's less about the money and more about local leadership.
I voted yes to get Amon out of town. I just think he's been a horrible leader.
Archbishop Gregory Amon has said he'll retire when the Archdiocese bankruptcy case is finalized. It's taken over 5 years and tens of millions of dollars in attorney fees for all parties to reach this point. Kuhn says it's been exhausting.
The survivors that I've talked to, they're really tired. It really has been a grueling process.
Kuhn says a Catholic school administrator began sexually abusing him when he was just 10 years old. Initially, he was reluctant to support the settlement, but changed his mind in recent weeks.
Our attorneys have worked tirelessly to get this deal, and it's the best we're going to be able to get.
For the bankruptcy to move forward, it needs a yes vote from 2/3 of the survivors. If not, the judge in the case said she would throw it out, which would put several things in limbo. Among them would be the Archbishop's retirement. Also, a set of reforms baked into the settlement aimed at strengthening child protection throughout the Archdiocese. And finally, there's the money. If the plan fails, the Archdiocese would once again be open to hundreds of sex abuse lawsuits seeking damages.
See, they've never been bankrupt. They've been morally bankrupt their whole time on earth. It's just, these people is terrible.
Johnny Crummell says as a young boy in the early 1980s, he was abused at the Madonna Manor Orphanage in Marrero. With under 48 hours until the deadline, Crummell has yet to vote.
But I'm probably going to vote yes for the plan, but later on I might option out of it.
Crummell says he wants to opt out to preserve his chance of suing the church on his own, like he did before. We reached out to the Archdiocese for comment. A spokesperson said it could not do so until votes are filed. Once voting is finished, the results are scheduled to be announced on November 6th. In New Orleans, Tan Trung, Fox 8 Local First.